everybody, we're back.
This is how we do this. In one way I'm yours. In one way you're strangers. But I know for sure.
Hello, my darling.
Hi.
I missed you. Ooh.
Hi, vlog.
Hey everybody, we're back. Guys, I'm sweating. It's really hot in here.
It's super hot out today.
Yeah, I shouldn't have worn pants. But the flight was really fast. Dude, you're like alive in real life. You look tan. Bye vlog, we'll talk to you later.
in a bit.
Good morning. We're gonna figure out our plan at breakfast today. We got all ready for the day. I've never been here to Northern California, so everything is new to me.
I've never been here to Northern
The
California.
rare city of Northern California.
Any of you who are possibly from the area, we're going to Manresa. It's like a bakery, but they just opened a new one in Campbell, and it's like a bakery, but it has breakfast, and it has the best matcha.
I'm excited, and we'll take you guys along.
Welcome to the San Jose vlog. We really balled out here with all this.
We really did. Look how cute this place is. This is our avocado toast. I don't know what this one's called, but it has salmon on it. And then we both got matcha oat milk lattes, and I don't know what this is.
It's like, I'm gonna butcher it, but it's like kukanon. It's like a croissant caramelized.
Just commit. Well done. So Katie and I have teleported.
What?
We're at the Rose Garden. Yeah, no, it is the San Jose Rose Garden. We're gonna take some photos here at the Rose Garden and get some content.
Also, if you don't follow Kiara on Instagram, you should.
Every single time I come to California, my feed just even gets...
Yeah, it does.
I can't talk today.
It just gets better.
This is what happens when we try to shoot in the middle of the day. Literally the worst time of the day. But we're not gonna give up, even though our battery is flashing, because we forgot to charge it.
No, I'm stupid. We just need to go to Starbucks and charge it and find some better location.
But we were just walking by this guy, and he was so funny. He was like preaching to these people. Who knows what came first? He's like, maybe the banana came first. We're dipping. We're going to a new location.
Wait,
What?
but I kind of like this.
We got good photo luck. We went to Starbucks. We charged the battery. Well, we look alike.
This looks like a thumbnail.
We're here at some middle school because we found the store that we liked.
And we found an Egyptian
across
museum.
the street, there's this beautiful Egyptian museum and a planetarium. We also just questioned, we're like, why are we so weird? Like, why do we get so much joy out of this? And then we realized taking photos and finding a good spot just leads you on this adventure. We're gonna shoot for a sec, and then I'll show you guys inside the planetarium. Katie's looking through the photos. She found a good location and approves of the lighting.
You need to make sure you're focusing.
I failed. I've lost my photography. It's so weird because now I don't take pictures anymore. We're also at the Egyptian museum thing.
Just outside now. I'm enjoying this.
I know, there's no one around. It's just relaxing.
Can you turn the exposure down a little too?
Yes. This is the Peace Garden we're heading to. Wow. Katie has now taken me to Santana Row, and we're almost there. We're about to park and pull in. But we're just really impressed with our timing and location scouting that we didn't do at all, and yet this place was, I don't even think it was 10 minutes away.
Oh, like 3.
And I'm excited to see this because apparently there's good shopping.
It's super cute.
I'm excited.
It's only 1. I feel like we've done so much today.
I agree, and we sat in bed for an hour and a half.
Yeah, we like watched a lot of David Dobrik.
We had a little bit of a binge, but it was good.
I had matcha,
Yeah.
but no coffee. Believe that.
This is beautiful. They have a Gucci.
We
Cut
buy
that
a
out.
Tesla.
Yeah, for sure. Let's go to Lululemon though.
That's where we're going.
Oh. Man, their sale rack is limited.
Wait, I kind of like these.
Those are kind of fun. He literally goes, Kiara, look at this dress. It's so cute. And I like come out from the other side. I'm holding the same exact dress.
Now we're going to Santa Cruz with Brennan's friends, boys.
Without Brendan.
If you guys actually don't know, Brendan's in Chicago right now with his family.
No, we didn't really
Which is why, which is why she's visiting me, so I'm not here alone, and then that's why we're hanging out with his friends without him. Yes, we're going to Santa Cruz.
Santa Cruz. So
Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do. You know what we're doing, David?
we're going to the taco place because we're hungry.
Whatever restaurant that you guys choose that we're going to,
It's
ours
the
is going to
taco
be
place.
better, so I'm going to be bummed out.
We're not. I'm not gonna change where you want to go.
No, you want to go to a great place.
Damn, David.
The Quick Place is hands down the best restaurant.
Okay,
Okay, I'm down.
David, we're trying to make it on the vlog, dude.
I wanna let you know.
We're at Santa Cruz.
Even when it gets hard, I wanna let go. still love you like crazy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What is up, guys?
What is that?
I mean, I like it. Is there a zoom or anything?
No. Oh yeah, it zooms really well.
Just enjoying a nice feast.
On the spine table we got here.
Yeah, the spike ball box.
Oh, that's the secret trick. If you hit the ball at Jacob, you swing at it, no matter what.
I have no ball control. 0.
Katie.
Negativity, come on.
Jacob has no self-control.
Now I have to hit it down. I can't.
I hope Jacob films for every day. Just our memories. God.
This is artsy. You guys are all silhouetted.
Jesus Christ, dude! Assault!
Did he hit you in the face?
At the last second, I was like, maybe I should give Katie a chance.
Let you know. Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, I still love you like crazy. I wanna let you
Oh yeah, they're going. Oh, that was sick.
Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go.
What if someone hits you?
Even though you're stressed about the small shit.
Good morning, everybody. Another day here in San Jose. Anywho, my dad found a car for me back in Portland, but I'm here and he wants me to go test drive the car to see if we like it because it's a really good deal and it has everything I want. So Katie's gonna accompany me and we're gonna go check out this car. It's not the exact color, but it's the same year and same style and everything. But first, we need food and coffee. It's 11:30. It's 11:30, so this is our brunch. Map to the place. This is an urgent. It's called the, it starts with an S.
Route Club?
No, it's, wait, I have it.
Juice?
No.
The Source.
The Source, that's what it's called.
The Sprout.
So we're gonna go get food. Katie didn't sleep well last night. Poor baby.
I slept terribly.
It's a rough day, but we had so much fun yesterday. It was like the picture perfect day and night.
Yeah, it was a really
It was really nice.
I still love you like crazy.
Katie and I came back to Santana Row and Katie bought stuff.
Well, here's the problem. Yesterday, I didn't buy anything because I was being really picky. And then I went home last night and I was like, wow, I really wish I would have bought those. So we came back.
So we came back. And then now we're going to Lululemon and we're gonna get some stuff for her and then we're gonna go look at the car. We're looking for stuff for her apartment. I might have to tell you something I got you because it might pertain to a purchase.
Okay.
Okay. Remember how I said I got you a housewarming gift? I got you these, but they only had 4.
Wait, those are so cute.
So if you want 6, but if you want 6, you're gonna need more.
No, 4's perfect.
Okay, just wanna make sure, well, shoot, now I ruined it.
No, these are so cute.
But I love those little containers. I use them for sauces and everything.
Wait, that's so perfect.
So I got them for
Wait,
you.
and it's gonna look so cute because that's what I wanted to accent.
I know! Look how cute this is. They're like little plastic to-go cups. 50% off that.
Are you kidding?
No, I'm not kidding. It's 50% off all sale. What is that? What do you put in there? Salt?
Salt and pepper. For the table.
How much is it? It's 50% off that.
I should get these 2
You
things,
should,
right?
you should. I'm voting yes, especially on the yellow bowl. This, I don't know. So this is what Katie has purchased, and this is what I'm about to purchase. Okay, Katie and I are about to go to the dealership. That's where we're gonna look at the car. Wish us luck because we are without an adult.
Did you just fall or did I trip?
No, I was like up on the curb. Anyway, we're without an adult, but we are adults, so we can handle this.
I'm nervous, guys.
Adulting, yeah, Katie's
I
like, I'm
refuse to park in the
stressed.
parking lot, so I made us park like a block away around the corner because
But this is gonna be good. I'm excited just to check it out. We'll just see how it feels and see if I like it. I'll keep you updated. Chef Katie Mack is at it again with the cheese platter. We've got plums, white cheddar, goat cheese, and fig crackers that I've never had.
I would ever walk out on you.
You guys are ever wondering what it looks like when a filmmaker takes a break?
Hello.
this, I'm gonna drive off the side of the road. I'm so scared.
Oh my god, you guys have to look at this.
I'm freaking
This
out.
is insane. We never really updated you guys on what's going on, but we just had dinner. Katie and I decided we wanted to go to
Well,
this
we
place.
didn't even eat dinner because we're gonna cook dinner later. We just met our
Right.
friends while they ate dinner.
Right. And we had 2 slices of pizza. Yeah, we're on Sierra Road. It's absolutely stunning. We're gonna take some pictures. We're trying to find the pathway in right now. So we're checking it out.
Do we go up or do we go that way?
Oh my god, we literally are one with the cattle. Katie, look, there's a cow over there. And we're just locked in here with the cows. We just take a moment, talk about golden hour. This is a piece of beauty up here.
We should go like up here.
Yeah, let's go.
I know we got a problem. I would never walk out on you.
This is This is the most beautiful place I think I've ever been. What just happened? Guys, look. It's not gonna focus right, but it's so pretty. I do have to say something about being in San Jose. We are getting the best luck ever. Like all of our photos are turning out.
Everything.
The card got full right when we were done taking pictures, conveniently. So
we're just having like, everything's just working out really well for us. And I'm really into it.
I'm into it as well. I don't know
gosh.
if I was filming this or not, but when I said the universe loves us together, that's why this is working out. True friends bring the good luck.
Everything's just like going exactly how we could want it, but I think it's because we don't have super high expectations,
Right.
and we're kind of
We're
just
going
letting
with the
things,
flow.
yeah, we're just like letting things happen, and it's just so nice.
God, Katie, look at
I
this.
can't.
Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. We bought food at Trader Joe's and we're gonna cook salmon and vegetables, and that's about it. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be a working day for both Katie and I, because I need to edit and Katie actually has to go to work. So
Wait, that just made me.
I know, but it's kind of needed because I just really need to get some stuff done. So it'll be more of a productive next couple days, and then we'll just hang out after work together. Well, we'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye. Stop. Okay, bye.
Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night